The cell cycle is defined as the stages through which a cell passes from one cell division to the next. There are 3 stages of the cell cycle called interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. As you can see, some parts of the cell are mitochondria, cell membrane, centrosomes, cytoplasm, and nucleus, which includes the DNA. The life cycle of a cell starts with interphase, when a cell functions normally and does its job, whether it's repairing a broken bone or protecting a body from viruses. Interphase prepares the cell for division. The duration of this phase is approximately 10 hours. During the first part of interphase, G1, the cell makes a variety of proteins that are needed for DNA replication. All the cellular content, except for the chromosomes, are duplicated. During the S phase, which lasts about 9 hours, when the DNA replicated and all of the chromosomes are duplicated. Each chromosome now consists of 2 sister chromatids, which leads us a total of 92 chromatids and 46 chromosomes. Following the S phase, the cell enters G2 phase. During this phase, the cell forms proteins that are required for mitosis, the next stage of the cell cycle. This phase lasts about 4 hours. Mitosis is the process that the cell will divide into 2 daughter cells. The duration of the entire stage is 1 hour. There are 4 phases of mitosis. They are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. During prophase, chromosomes condense into strips and the nucleolus dissolves. The centrosomes move towards the opposite ends of the cell, producing spindle fibers made of protein, which attaches to the condensed chromosomes. During metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. During anaphase, the spindle fibers begin to shorten, pulling the duplicated chromosomes apart towards the opposite centrosomes. Then, during the last phase of mitosis, which is the telophase, the nucleolus forms around the chromosomes at the opposite ends of the dividing cell, and chromosomes decondense. The organelles also reform. At last, cytokinesis divides the cell into 2 identical daughter cells. Now each cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes and 46 pairs of chromatids. The identical cells either move back into interphase or enter a rest phase.